Hey guys, it's Chris. So, couple points about the video before it starts. First off, the video was filmed at night in an area that wasn't particularly well lit. And I knew it was going to end up being dark, I just didn't realize how dark it was going to be on camera. Because of that, the camera's autofocus is at points trying to focus on like the lights in the background, so everything gets real blurry. Which unfortunately I didn't find that out until after I got home and started doing the editing. One of the disadvantages of doing this alone without a camera person. And the second thing is there actually is there's an important message towards the end of the video. So, you know, if you're like someone who's like, I really don't want to sit through a dark and blurry video, hey, I understand. You know, thanks for at least clicking on this video. But if you're someone who sits all the way through, you know what, even more thank you, because that actually is a message I think that needs to be spread around more often, especially in, you know, the communities that involve with essentially cleaning up the environment. So, with that, let's get to the video.
What up, my little pudding cup? So today we're going to be fishing at a fishing dock that I've never actually fished from before. Now this fishing dock is actually over by the NIMS tennis ball courts, which is across the street from the Keeper of the Plains. Recently discovered this on a nightly walk, and yeah, it looks like this actually place might still be used by various people. There's some garbage around. We're going to try to clean that up by the end of the video. And hopefully we can find something actually in the river. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be using the 880, my anti-snack cone. As you probably already know, it's actually we're also doing this at night because today was well over 100 degrees during the daytime. And I invited my good buddy and fellow YouTuber Terminate to go out and doing this with me, and he wisely and kindly declined. Oh, look at that, we actually got something. All right, so let's see, we got a old washer. Well, that's coming into view. Also got old hook screw. I don't know, this is something. This might have been a little chunk of rebar, not rebar, some kind of metal. We'll definitely be doing a closer up on this stuff when we get inside. Okay, so just dredging the bottom, we actually did get something. This rather large, not an ant, rather large screw, bolt. A Coors Light cap. Oh, another bottle cap. Pacifico. Got a Pacifico bottle cap. So I get that. Never heard of that before. If you guys know anything about Pacifico, feel free to comment in the leave a message down in the comments, comment down in the comment, whatever them kids are saying these days. Okay, I do feel something like right there. Oh, I definitely feel something right there. Here. Alright. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna toss that back in. First off, we got this nasty piece of plastic, definitely from a grocery bag. It's gross. We got this gorgeous bolt. Huge honker. Let's see if we can't do this without disturbing the spider. Yeah, that thing completely dwarfs the bolt we found earlier. That is beautiful. Love it. And that just launched something at me. We'll check my camera later to find out. Well, not my camera, my phone later to find out what just got launched. Because I don't want to be leaving stuff end up back in the river. But that was a beautiful find. That is gorgeous. See, right there again, I feel like we're on something. It might just be rocks. No, that's definitely something. That is definitely something. That was 100% a magnetic pull I just hit. So, we'll put that there as a marker. We're going to grab the grappling hook and we're going to see if we can't grab what that is. The problem is we get a lot of those stupid scooters that the city ordered. A lot of those thrown in the river. So I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if that's what we got. Okay. Definitely snagged something there. Might just been a rock. The annoying thing with those city ones is I can't keep them. They are city property. So even if I pull them out of the water, I just got to leave them where I found them. Or at the very least, move them away from the water. I'm definitely catching something. And then once you try to come up, but then it just kind of slips off the hook. Probably just take that as a sign to give up before I lose my grappling hook, but you know what, I'm going for one more try, because whatever it is, it's heavy. Nope. Try rudging it with the grappling hook for a little while. Big wad of fishing line. I don't think there's anything in it. So I'm not feeling anything. Now the stick can go back. That's fine. I don't know for sure, but I don't think this was actually tied to a fishing pole, so I think this is probably more like this was tied to the dock itself. The person just never came back for it. But you guys know me, I hate abandoned fishing line. I really just hate fishing line in general. Yeah. So I know that sounds kind of, you know, reverse of what magnet fishing should be. Oh man, I love finding hooks and lures and all that stuff, but I mean realistically, we're cleaning the environment. And this is terrible for the environment. Fish, turtles, birds, all kinds of wildlife can get tangled up in this stuff. And this can easily kill them. Well, I'm taking this with me because, you know, there's a place down in Sedgwick County Park where you can actually place fishing line that I'm hoping to God they take to get recycled. I don't know, but I'm hoping they do. All right. More plastic bags, again, terrible for the environment. Really bad. You know, this though, this I will just throw away. Because you can only recycle plastic maybe once or twice its life. Metal, on the other hand, metal is recyclable damn near indefinitely. Oh, another one. Of course that. Putting that there to mark our location. Another Coors Light cap. And if anyone's curious what this is my anti-snag cone. This is actually really useful for not getting yourself stuck on rocks. Because if you've seen my 600-pound magnet, you kind of know, or heck, if you've even just seen like my first video, you know you can get snagged on rocks pretty easy. Now, in case you're new to the channel, first of all, thank you for giving my video a watch and making it however far this is going to be into the video. Second of all, if you like what you see, why don't you consider subscribing? Or at the very least, you know, showing that little like button a little love. But also, if you're wondering what I do with all the metal I find, once I gather enough of it, I take it down to recycling centers to basically turn it in for cash and to have it recycled. I am rather environmentally conscious, at least on that end. I could definitely be more environmentally conscious, but I mean, I'm doing the best I can. What I got. Yeah. Honestly, at this point, I might actually swing this around to face the other way. Because we're starting to get less and less light this way. There we go. I'll still show everyone what I get if I get anything. Let's see. Oh, wow. Jeez Louise. That right there. That is one very big bolt. You know what? I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna turn on the light. I want you guys to see this thing. This thing is, woo, that is big. Anyone knows what that is? That's just like a standard, like, dock bolt or what? Let me know in the comments. Oh, that is beautiful though. That is a beaut. All right, I'm gonna, I guess, try to fish. I don't have, as you guys can see, I don't have a front pocket, which would really been useful. So I'm gonna be doing other dumb things like holding my phone in my hand. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're almost at the edge of the dock. I'll probably stop recording at the edge of the dock, gather up the stuff, and then kind of do a quick video picking up the garbage around. You got some aluminum up there. That's worth some money. Not a lot, but you know, the fun thing is I spend next to no money. Other than like gas, but you know, I was already coming this way to go home. Let's just go ahead and focus on it right there. Like, you already got your damn plastic bag. Why can't you just stick in the plastic bag instead of just throwing it everywhere like a damn jackass? You know, I don't understand that. I really don't. Lose my bounce. That's nice. Oh, there's still beer in that too. I'm not a beer drinker. Some of you might be like, gasp, sacrilege. Got some more trash over here. Grab that too. I know this is exactly what you click on a magnet fishing video for, huh? People picking up garbage. It really wasn't even that long ago that I was actually over in this area. This just kind of shows how quickly garbage can just freaking pile up. Bottle of water. Spider. Go ahead and dump that on the damn ground. Water the grass. Alright, I'm gonna grab the aluminum can over here. Alright. Got some more over here. Good day for cans, I'll tell you that. How much you want to bet this actually still got crap in it? You know, before I pick it up and find out, I'll give you folks a few seconds to actually comment. Alright, time's up. Let's Let's find out. Yeah. I know that's not a ton, but it's still enough just to make me go, seriously? You know, I'm drinking something, dude. I try to drink all of it. I don't give a damn if it's alcoholic or not. Remember earlier I said I don't like beer, then I don't like alcohol. Ugh. Alright. Okay. Now this stuff in the bag, this is going to go into the trash. Stuff in my arms is going in my trunk. Yeah. Alright. So, now, I still got a piece down there I just saw, but, I mean, now, seriously, look at that now. That is a lot better looking. So, I'm going to grab that last piece, and then we'll get to the outro at my car. Alright, now we're going to get a better shot of all the goodies I got. Now, I got a bucket of, well, it's trash, let's be honest. Got 1, 2, 3 very large beer cans. Very nice, gonna make me a little bit of profit there. Not a whole lot though. Nice, I think it's a steel plate face covering for an outlet. Some aluminum foil. Now let's get to the good stuff. Got a nice size screw. No, this is a screw. I'm gonna call it a screw. The bigger one could be a bolt now. The bolt, lovely, just absolutely lovely. Nice piece, love it. Got that beautiful one, just so weird. I love it. River sludge. Don't love so much that. Bottle cap. Fishing line. Really, really don't love that. The strips of the plastic bag, which are going to our other plastic bag to be thrown away. A couple more bottle caps, including the Pacifico I've never heard of. Pacifico Mystery. Again, if anybody knows what that is, feel free to let me know. Got a little chunk of metal, very small. Got the, wall hook from earlier. Our first catch, along with that wall hook, that washer. But this is something I found, which I always like thinking this is literally a reward from, whoever you want to say it's from God, from karma, from the magic space weasel who rules over us. It's not a lot. I got a penny. So I literally got paid coming out here. Found that. See if I can show you where I found that. Just right up there. So I always like thinking that, just basically the universe going, hey, here's a little something for your troubles. May not be a lot, but you know what? That stuff adds up quick. We're going to swing this around because I'd prefer not to look like a Sith Lord while I'm doing my outro. Now, for long-time viewers, or anyone who's actually just gone back through my catalog would know, usually at this point, what I would proclaim you know, that I've been live action putting. It looks like brains to me, but since we've actually recently redid the collection of videos that we do our magnet fishing and just environmental cleanup stuff into what we're now calling environmental. We're environmentalists, but we're also just a little bit mental. So instead, our new outro, which I will be debuting in this particular and very video. So with that, I've been live action putting. We've only got the one planet, so let's act like it.
Secret bonus video.